Hi there everybody, welcome to Bell CB, doing a tune-up report on a Galaxy DX-98VHP for Pawel in New Jersey. Now over here on this watt meter I've got 100 watts in the top scale across here. We'll be looking for about 60 watts right there. When I turn the power down, it goes all the way down to 6 watts and all the way up to 60. Peak power, I've got a 500 watt slug today. It'll be in this middle scale right here. That's 200, that's 300, and that little line sticking down is 250.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breaker. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And on sideband, I'll turn that down. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Perfect 200. And on the air. Breaker 19 for radio checked. How about 19's my radio getting out? Come on. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Down here, Commercial Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale.